So first of all, you need to take out some glue in a bowl. Now you need any glitter of your choice and you need to mix it in the glue. Make sure you mix it properly. Add more if you need. So when you receive a silvery texture like this, your mixture is ready. Now take a plastic sheet and apply the mixture onto the plastic sheet. Don't make a really thin layer. Thick layers can work. I have applied a medium thickness layer. So I have completed applying. So I will let it dry overnight. You can also leave for 1 or 2 hours. So let's check what happens in the morning. So now it's morning and our glitter paper is dried. So now we have to take a safety pin and take out the glitter paper. It's easy to take out and smooth too. It looks beautiful on the front side and the back side as well. So let's trim the edges to make it look smooth.